In this video, I will show you how to export Google Photos and Docs to OneDrive. So to get started, go ahead and open OneDrive on your device. Now click on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. So under this, click on this import cloud photos and files, so that will redirect you into a new page. In here, go ahead and click on this plus icon beside connect to Google Photos to start connecting your OneDrive account to Google Photos. So this will pop on your screen once you try to connect your Google Photos to your OneDrive. Click on continue and make sure to authorize to view your Google Photos library to be able to enable OneDrive to export the files from your Google Photos to your OneDrive account automatically. So you can also do this with Google Drive to be able to export the documents that you have from Google Drive into OneDrive. So make sure to authorize this for the second time around correctly. And then once this has been authorized, you'll be able to find an option to start importing your files from your Google Photos into OneDrive. So you just need to simply hit on that start button to start importing your files from Google Photos to OneDrive. So you can do this same steps with Google Drive to simply import documents from Google Drive into OneDrive. So that's basically how you can export Google Photos and Docs to OneDrive.